Hi, I'm Praveen Karke. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the two systems I developed for my assignment. The first system is vertical search engine for research publications, and the second one is document clustering system for news article. Let's start with vertical search engine. Um, for vertical search engine, first of all we have to gather all the data from Coventry University uh, research paper website. From this website we gather all the required data like title of the publication, authors, and published year. Using Scrappy framework, I'm going to show you the Scrappy framework. uh, in the Scrappy framework, so uh, to 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 scrap data politely, we have to implement robot.txt over to true and download delay to 2 seconds so that it will not overload the server. And and in the scrappy spider method, uh, after the URL is set up, then the URL is then parsed. uh, it will parse all the publication list, and that from that publication list, every title, author profile link, published year, and publication link is saved. The data is saved in JSON format like this. Okay, and after the data is saved, for data to be up to date, we have to implement the scheduler. uh, scheduler the, I have set up the scheduler to automatically scrap new data every Sunday at midnight, ensuring that data remain up to date. Okay, after that, I have implemented search engine in Flax application. Okay, in uh, for search engine, first we have to load the research output data. Then the research output data is then pre-processed, uh, and it is tokenized, uh, steam word, and the stop words are removed. After that, uh, I applied TF-IDF vectorizer to convert the text data into numerical features. This indexing process significantly improves search performance. The same pre-processing is applied to query, converting into numerical features and then calculating the cosine cosine similarity with the vectorized document to determine the relevancy score. The result are then sent to front end to to display the title, author, and relevancy score. Let me demonstrate to the front end. Okay. Okay, here is the front end. Okay. From this publication list, let me show you some. Let me query some. Okay, let me query effective language processing first. Okay, you can see here that effective natural language uh, is is displayed at first with a relevance score of 0.44. Here we can see that relevance score with highest is shown at the top, and then other document is shown in below. The document is displayed by relevance score. Okay, if I use all the title, then it will improve the relevance score from 0.442 to 0.76. You can see that, and we can search by you author's name also. Let me show you. Okay, you can see the publication by this author at top. Okay, now here if we click on document title, then it will redirect to the uh, publications link and publication page, and I can also click on author link and it will redirect to their profile. Okay, now let's move on to the second system, which is document clustering. Okay, for document clustering uh, of news article, first I have scrap the news from New York's Time. The economy, entertainment, and politics category news are scrapped from the New York Times articles, and around 200 articles from each category is saved in .csv format like this. And after that, uh, I've implemented the clustering in Flex application. Here in this Flex application, first of all, the news data is loaded. Then after the news data are loaded, then it is pre-processed like that of search engine. It is the document are tokenized, then the stop words are removed, and then after that, uh, TF-IDF vectorization is applied so that it converts the data into numerical features. And after that, unsupervised k-mean clustering is used with this configuration. And the configuration, and to check whether the um, whether the clustering is good or not, we implement the PCA, principal component analysis, to calculate the sellout score. The score is about um, the score is about 0.466. So this means the clustering is good. After that, we have to after that we have to check the top words from each clustering, so that uh, we can see that which cluster belongs to which category. So from here we can see that cluster 0 belongs to entertainment, cluster 1 belongs to politics, and cluster 2 belongs to economy. And after that, we implement the predict cluster function, so that when the when user added the new document, then it will perform the clustering and predict which at which category that news belongs to, and the result is sent to front end, and the predicted cluster is shown at the front end. Let me demonstrate the front end. Okay, at the front end we can see here. Let me add the news from this website. Okay, when I enter this news and click the cluster document, it will predict the category is entertainment. And similarly, when I use this news, okay, it says that this news belong to politics. Okay, by doing this, uh, for, by doing this we can say that the clustering, okay, we can say that clustering system effectively sorts news article to their uh, into the categories, making it easier to manage and analyze the content. Okay, from here we can see that with or without stopword we can cluster the document to its category. Okay. Thank you for watching the walkthrough of my assignment.